In this video, we are going to see how we can easily resolve this error code CAA20002, Microsoft Teams unable to load, something went wrong. So we are going to see a quick solution for this, and without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So first of all, we need to open up the start menu and right here, internet options, here it is. And let's go to the advanced, and if we scroll all the way down to this area, in here we can get this use TLS 1.1. If it is already unchecked, like in this case, it's perfect. But if it is checked like this, you need to uncheck those. After that, just hit apply and OK and see if that resolves the problem. If not, what you can do is just open up the start menu again and right here programs, click on add or remove or programs. And here in the app section, in the installed apps, you will get all the applications details. Let's write Teams here. So it says Microsoft Teams, just click on the three dots next to it and click on advanced options. And here, if we scroll down, we have the reset and repair option both. So if your app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be effective. So first of all, we can try to repair this. Click on repair. And after that, just try running the application. If you're getting the same error, we need to reset this, but just make sure of this. If this app still isn't working right, reset it, the app's data will be deleted. So just make sure of that, or take the backup of it if you can, and click on reset again. And after that, to make this effective, we might need to restart our computer once. So after the restart, just try running the application and it should work. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.